PITAKA once again delivers a clean, premium unboxing experience with minimalist packaging and tasteful, Harvard-inspired branding. The moment I picked up the case, the ultra-thin profile and feather-like construction immediately stood out. Despite weighing only around 20 grams, the aerospace-grade aramid fiber gives the case an impressively rigid and durable feel. The deep crimson woven finish also looks far more refined in person, with subtle texture shifts under light that enhance its premium appearance. Pitaka's experience with aerospace-grade aramid fiber is immediately noticeable in the overall construction quality. The weaving precision is excellent throughout the chassis, with clean camera cutouts, smooth edge transitions, and perfectly aligned openings. Despite its ultra-thin profile, the case feels impressively rigid and durable in daily use. I also appreciated the silky yet grippy texture, which improves handling without adding bulk, while the raised camera surround offers extra lens protection without compromising the slim silhouette. The Harvard Crimson Edition successfully blends Pitaka's minimalist design language with subtle academic-inspired aesthetics. The deep crimson finish draws inspiration from Harvard's historic identity and architecture, but the execution remains elegant and restrained rather than overly branded. The woven aramid texture adds visual depth and gives the case a refined, premium appearance that stands out without looking flashy. The Pitaka Harvard Crimson Ultra Slim case for iPhone 17 Pro Max successfully combines premium materials, refined craftsmanship, and practical functionality in an exceptionally thin form factor. The aerospace-grade aramid fiber construction feels lightweight yet durable, while the Harvard-inspired crimson finish adds a tasteful and distinctive aesthetic. Combined with reliable MagSafe support and the seamless PITAKA capacitive integration, it stands out as one of the most refined ultra-slim cases currently available for the iPhone 17 Pro Max.